Joe here. So, one of the biggest misunderstandings that I see on boat and yacht insurance is the valuation of the boat. You take a boat like this really nice Bayliner that we have here for sale. The valuation on this boat, when you insure it, is almost 80% of your premium. So, because it is so important to value the boat right, a lot of people make the mistake of, well, Joe, I bought this boat at the right price, and right now to replace this boat it's actually going to cost me X more. Well, these are not replacement cost policies, they're agreed values. So their job is to do one thing, and that is to make sure that you are protected for your true investment in the boat. That is what you paid for it, some tax, and any upgrades you did, like electronics or canvas, or in this situation all new covers for the boat. These are really important to understand, that that's what drives your rate. Boat and yacht insurance, Camposano Marine.com.